Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are traveling to a country that is truly the Green Delta or the world Bangladesh. This is a land shaped by mighty rivers, endless green fields, and a spirit of resilience that is unlikely anywhere else. It is one of the most densely populated countries on earth, but that just means there is more life, more energy, and more stories to discover in every corner. Today, we are going to explore the world's largest mangrove forest, the longest sea beach on the planet, and the incredible food that brings everyone together. Let's get into it. To understand Bangladesh, you have to look at its water. It sits on the world's largest river delta, where the giant Padma, Jammu, and Meghana rivers meet before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. Because of all this water, the soil is incredibly fertile, which is why the country looks like a bright green carpet from above. The rivers are the lifelines of the country. They are used for transport, fishing, and farming, and they have shaped the music and poetry of the people for centuries. The heart of the country is the capital, Dhaka. It is often called the rickshaw capital of the world. You will see thousands of brightly painted hand decorated rickshaws waving through the streets like moving pieces of art. Dhaka is a city of extreme energy. You must visit Old Dhaka to see the Asan Manzil, also known as the Pink Place, and the Lal Bagh Fort, a beautiful Mughal fortress from the 17th century. The city is a mix of ancient history and fast-growing modern economy. If you want to see the natural wonders of Bangladesh, you have to head south to the Sundarbans. This is the largest mangrove forest in the world and UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a maze of tidal rivers and islands where the trees actually grow in salt water. It is the home of the famous Royal Bengal tiger. Taking a boat silent trip through these narrow creeks is a thrilling experience. You might see spotted deer, crocodiles, and if you are lucky, the king of the forest himself. Then there is Cox's Bazar. This is a place of world record. It is the longest natural sandy sea beach in the world, stretching for over 120 kilometers. Whether you want to watch a peaceful sunrise at Inani Beach or enjoy the energy of the main town where locals gather to eat dried fish and watch the waves, it is a must visit spot. If you prefer the mountains and greenery, head northeast to Sylhet. This is the tea capital of Bangladesh. The rolling hills are covered in tea gardens that look like waves of green. You can visit the Watergull swamp forest, which is often called the Amazon of Bangladesh. You hop in a small wooden boat and glide through the trees that are half submerged in clear water. It feels like you have entered in a different world. Now, let's talk about my favorite part, the food. Bangladeshi food is a celebration of spices and fresh ingredients. The star of the table is hills of fish. It is the national fish and people are very passionate about it. The most famous way to eat it is tortilla-ish, where the fish is cooked in a thick, spicy mustard sauce. Then there is biryani, while many countries have biryani. Dhaka's Kachi biryani is special. It's made with fragrant rice and tender mutton that are cooked together in sealed pot to trap all flavors. For street food, you have to try funchka. These are crispy hollow spears filled with a spicy mix of chickpeas and potatoes served with tangy tamarind water. It is an explosion of flavor in every bite. For dessert, Bangladesh is famous for its sweets. You must try Misri Doi, which is a creamy sweetened yogurt that is often fermented in clay pots to give it a unique taste. Then there is Rose Hogla, soft spongy balls, shocked, shaked in sugar syrup, and if you visit during the winter, you will see people making pitas, which are traditional rice cakes made with date juice and coconut. The people of Bangladesh are known for their incredible hospitality. They have a very deep history, especially regarding their language. In fact, International Mother Language Day, which is celebrated all over the world, started because of the language movement in Bangladesh in 1952. People here are very proud of their Bengali language and their independence, which they fought for in 1971. If you like my this video, please like, subscribe, share, and watch my all video I uploaded. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and do not forget to comment on which country I should make next. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.